Could I look more tired and such dull looking skin? Oh my god. But today we are gonna do this glass skin tutorial. So what is a glass skin? A glass skin is a skin which looks more natural, very glowy, as in glass. That's how the name coming from. So yeah guys, that is what we are doing today. I have posted a picture on my Instagram, in my Instagram stories recently. So many of you have asked for this. So hence we are doing this today, and my hair is in a very different kind of a way, which is generally not the scenario. So first things first, we have to prep our skin really well. So my skin is already cleansed and moisturized, and the first thing you guys know is prime. So for primer, I don't think I have used anything else other than this. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. So this primer, I have spoken about this a million times, like guys, this is like incredibly good. So even though you might be thinking like, for glass skin, why are we using a pore filling primer? That is the thing. If our skin underneath doesn't look poreless, whatever illuminating we put on top of it, it will sink into all the pores and crevices like here, and all the wrinkles that you have inside. So that is the reason we need a pore filling silk canvas kind of primer. So after that, around the high points of my face, I want something really glowy. So for that, I am using this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So this product, this is not a primer. They say you can use it on top of your makeup, underneath your makeup. So this just adds a glorious, gorgeous glow onto your skin. So if you have like really good skin, you can just apply this and use a little bit of concealer. You will be good to go. So I am just applying this on the very highest point of my face and just blend it in. So if you guys can see like the glow that it adds. So at this point, as you guys know, I do have to color correct. So I will do the color correction and I will come back. Whenever I want a very natural looking, glowy, youthful, luminous skin, that is when I reach for this foundation, you guys. This foundation is like mother of all foundations. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and my shade is 7.5, and I think this is the only foundation which I think I'm running out of. You guys know, like, foundation is one thing which is really difficult to run out of. But I have reached for this so many times, like, so this adds that beautiful skin, very natural glowing, very natural looking, and yeah, as the name suggests, like luminous silk foundation, it is very luminous. But as for now, if I look at my skin, I need a tiny bit more coverage. For that, I will mix in this, the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, just a hint of it. But the main star of the show, which adds that gorgeous, glorious luminous onto your skin, is this product. Oh my god, you guys. This is magic in a bottle. This is the TomFord, what is this called? Dewdrops. Oh my goodness. This is like, since the time I have started using this, I haven't put this down. So I am gonna mix these three concoctions at the back of my hand, and I am gonna apply it the regular way with my beauty blender. So you guys can see the luminosity on the skin. Like, when I'm wearing this itself, I do not feel anything. Like, it feels so light, so comfortable, and it is such long wearing. Oh, I am in love love with this finish. I wanted to show you guys this incredible drugstore find which I have come across. This is my new invention. This is the very new L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So it says it is more than concealer. Guys, let me show you guys the doe foot applicator. If you guys see, the applicator is so big, but that is not the thing. The thing is the consistency. The consistency is beautiful. It is like it covers everything. It blends in beautifully and it stays for so long, so long. And a little goes a really long way. And it does not feel heavy at all onto the skin. That is the best part I like about it. It is not drying, it is not heavy feeling, it doesn't look cakey. It is just simply amazing. Next we will move on to the cream contouring part. So for that I am using this. I have been using this lately a lot. You guys know. One thing I really like about this product is, like, no matter how ham you go with this product, it never looks too much on your skin. You can blend it in so easily. It's like butter. That is one of the major things I love about it. Like, I have used so many cream products, but nothing, legit nothing blends in like this. Nothing. Next, it comes to another brilliant product, which is this, the iconic London, what is this called? Illuminator in the shade Original. So what we are gonna do this, we are gonna apply this right here on the highest points of our cheek. But there is another thing which I wanted to show you guys. Let me grab my palette. So if you guys do not like cream highlighters, this is another thing which you can use. This is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I will be using this shade Fiji. This is like cream kind of highlighter, so you can use it with a sponge, but I'm using it with a stippling brush like this, so it blends in like easily and it doesn't move around the product underneath my skin. So this is the base for the highlighter we will put on top of it. So that's how you get that like reflecting kind of look. Now it is time to powder our skin. So this is the step where you want to be very minimal, because we do not want to take away all those luminosity that we have created onto our skin by powder. So to powder my face, I love this powder because this is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So this powder, it sets really well, but it adds the most gorgeous luminosity to your skin. Like, you cannot see it right when you apply it, but throughout the day you will see it. Like, your skin will look gorgeous in daylight, under any kind of lighting, like from various angles. Oh, this is a magical product. I am just setting the areas where I have applied the concealer, like around my T-zone, even though I do not get oily around that area because I am extremely dry. But I'm just setting around the areas where I have applied powder and where maybe the highlighter has gone a little too much, like so. Now to set that bronzer area, I am using a matte bronzer, which is this Bahama Mama. Because if you use too many glowy products, your skin, your face will lose that dimension. So it is important to use like matte products where you want to create some shade, and the glowy products where you want to catch the lights. Now on top of that powder highlight, I want to use something because I have got a beautiful tan going on right now. So I'm using this highlighter. This is by Jouer. This is a beautiful goldeny highlight. Oh, do you guys see that beam? So I'm using a fan brush because it disperses the product like not in one place, it disperses it beautifully around this area. So there will not be a stripe onto your skin. It will be beautifully meshed around the perimeters of your face. Chin, this, above your brow. Adding a little bit of blush will tie this whole look together, right? Let me find the ideal blush. This is the blush that I am using today for this look. This is the Hourglass Flush. This is the Hourglass Lighting Blush in Luminous Flush. So these blushes, they're so beautiful. They add the most gorgeous, like, how do I even talk? How can I even talk today? Luminosity to your skin. So this is not a matte blush, but there is no chunky glitters or anything like that in it. Oh, I love this blush. So as you can see, I've gone a little heavy-handed. I will fix this in a bit. Wait. And you guys know my trick. I always run my blush on my eyelids, top of my nose, chin, forehead. There is just one more step left for that gorgeous glass skin. So for that, what I like to do is, after all of this jazz, I like to spray my skin with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is a tiny mini travel version. Like that. And then on top of it, this is another key to get that gorgeous, youthful looking, beautiful skin. This is the key. This is the Tatcha Luminous Silky Setting Mist. Guys, I am already halfway through this, but the way it makes my skin look is like incredible. So I just apply it on the very highest points of my face. I do not apply it everywhere because I do not want shininess everywhere. So I just applied it here so that it meshes with all the powder and the cream highlighters, and it makes them look skin-like and youthful and everything, every gorgeousness that you can name. But on top of it, when the skin is still a little damp, what I do is, I cannot find my brush. I'll take this highlighter. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Highlighter in the shade Sin. But I will take it on a very precise brush like this and apply it right just here at the top of my cheekbones, where the light will hit the first. Just there. So this is the way you create dimension with different shades of highlight onto your face. Like that. So our skin is all done. Let me finish the rest of my makeup and I will come back to you. So I have finished getting ready, and this is how the skin looks, you guys. This is like absolute glowy, gorgeous skin. So this look, no matter what kind of lighting you are in, dim light, bright light, daylight, this is going to look like glass. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this small tutorial, and if you guys are wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, I have a different tutorial. I don't know which one is going up before, either this or that. I'm gonna pop up a card in here to see the swatches of this red lip. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram. You guys know the drill, right? So until next time, take care, love you, bye.